Hello, everyone. My name is Firuz John. I am from zypl. I came all the way from Tajikistan to present you what we do, how we do, and why we do. So today, I'm honored to present how we are pioneering generative AI for using credit scoring and using synthetic data for that. Now, let's just realize what kind of problems facing the customers of financial institutions, whether it's a bank, microfinance, or BNPL services, anyone. So you have underwriting process, lots of documents, going back and forth, waiting for the response. And you have a credit history as a factor. While in Jordan, in Tajikistan, there is a good number of people who had never had a credit history. So they are lacking the access to finance. And finally, credit history. You have linear traditional models across different regions, which lacks the reality of the world by evaluating the customers. Just one example, when COVID-19 hit, all the existing models just stopped, and they did not know how to react. So, as an AI startup who are pioneering synthetic data for credit scoring, we want to help financial institutions to optimize their credit decisioning by making it instant and smooth, both for financial institutions, both for their customers. So since we're talking about the problem, even with a really complex underwriting process, there is still high default rate. So that's why we are here to help financial institutions to decrease those rates. And most significantly, to increase the market share and to reach out for those who are underbanked or who never had experience working with the banks. Now, you might be asking, why is this young person talking about something which we all know, which has been existing for a long time? But I want to talk about why our model is a breakthrough, makes some changes in the financial institution life. So everything lies behind the engine. Our research and development team was able to develop in-house Z-GAN model, which optimized our training and updating model instantly. It takes into the consideration historical data sets, synthetic data, and most importantly, it conducts various simulations in terms of how the world looks like in terms of economy, in terms of remittances, anything which is important to the market, and responds right away in case of any crisis you have on the market. So that is the power of Z-score. And yes, we are using alternative data, collecting different data points, integrating to the credit scoring model, so people who do not have, for example, credit history can be evaluated with other data points rather than just single factor, which has a big challenge for the market. And the other advantage is that you can use one model in multiple applications, from micro, auto, SME, and other application segments which are available for customers. And in terms of deployment, we are very flexible. We can do standalone web application for financial institutions. We can do on-premise, on-cloud, or we can do integrated using your current credit scoring. And how we deploy? Very straightforward. We conduct proof of concept. It's very short. We take your data, validate, show the results, and then we go live for lending. And in terms of pricing, flexible as well. We can do per request, subscription, or outcome-based. Now, you might be asking, this guy is talking a lot of things, but where are they from? Where they did come? So initially, we started in 2021. We were ideated at Stanford. At 2022, we got a partnership with Microsoft. And in 2023, we became AI Startup of the Year. And recently, we have received an award in Best Predictive Analytics AI Product. Thank you. And in terms of team, we had a global experiences covering from entrepreneurship, strategy, business, and tech. And we are discovering new horizons for our company. And when we talk about the numbers, Z-score, our credit scoring has been launched since 2021. Now we have 50 banks in our pipeline, 4 continents, and we have issued 200 million USD. And the most important significant in terms of NPL rate for financial institutions across our portfolio is 1%, which is quite impressive in terms of banking world. And where we are heading, we are standing at 1 million ARR now. We want to achieve 4 million ARR by 2025 March in 15 markets across 5 different products in credit scoring and other AI products for financial institutions. And recently we are open for our Series A. We are raising 3 million in a valuation of 35 to boost our growth, infrastructure and product and reach our goals. So let's build partnerships for better user journey of customers and financial institutions. Thank you.